Hey, this is Ben. I'm putting together this new shoe rack. It comes with the instructions, the two ends, and all the expandable support tubes, as well as these easy to use finger screws. So, construction was simple and straightforward. It only requires affixing the screws to each end of the pole and through the associated hole on each side support. All in all, it just took me about 5 minutes to get the entire shoe rack put together. When extended all the way, the poles do catch, so there is not any way to pull them apart or to pull them too far and make them fall apart. So that's nice. It's handy that these have a place to grab them and move the shoe rack around. So we bought this because one of our old plastic ones fell apart. And with a family of 5, we have quite a lot of shoes to manage. We cleaned out our coat closet and put the new rack in. And it's super nice. We estimate at its full expansion that it can hold about 12 pairs of shoes. So this is going to work really great. It's much sturdier than our plastic ones were. It looks good, higher quality. We are really happy with it. I hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.